So the second S, store, has to do with finding a home for everything that you need and storing back that in the home whenever you don't need it anymore. So the whole idea here is that in the first step, sort, you just removed all the things that you didn't need. So you learn the habit to remove or trash things when you don't need them. So now in the second step, what you will do is remember. So everything that you need to spend some time, at least at the very beginning, to find a home for it. A place where you can find it later on, or everyone in your team can find it. Label it, maybe you can color it so that everyone knows about it. And then the little trick here is that you need to make sure every time you use that, you take it out of the place, then you put it back. So that's a habit that you need to learn. You need to learn to whatever you use, put it back. And that will help you practice your self-organizing habits.